How to stop sharing Instagram post on Facebook. First of all, after you open your phone, go ahead and open your Instagram app like this. After you open your Instagram app, all you have to do now, tap on your profile at the bottom right side, this one. After you tap on your profile, now tap on this menu at the top right side. Now tap on this account center. After you open the account center, now tap on this where it says sharing across profile. Tap on it. So now in this session, here is my Facebook and here is my Instagram. So select the Instagram. After you open your Instagram, as you can see now, here it says share from Instagram, share to Facebook. So now all you have to do now, here is the option now. As you can see, here is the option now. Make sure you turn off this option. As you can see here, it says your Instagram post. Make sure you turn off this option. So as you can see now, after you turn off this option, now you stop sharing or you stop posting Instagram post on Facebook. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.